Well, Alice, I have everything I need right here.
Sure, if you like living like a Neanderthal.
Oh, hardy, har.
I'm just teasing, Ralph. Could you read me a devotion from this book?
Anything for you, sweetheart. Let's see. Devotion 16. Ruth continued to work in the field of Boaz, and she did so for approximately 2 months. The initial need of Naomi and Ruth when they came to Bethlehem was daily provision. Ruth, through her daily hard work, was amply providing that. Naomi could have continued comfortably in this arrangement for the rest of her life, but the compassion of Ruth for others had rubbed off on her. Ruth 3:1. Then Naomi her mother-in-law said unto her, My daughter, shall I not seek rest for thee, that it may be well with thee? Naomi was about to tell Ruth that she needed to approach Boaz about marrying her and fulfilling the role of the kinsman redeemer to her. If she did, and if he accepted, Naomi may well have been without any further provision for the rest of her life, but she was now willing to sacrifice her needs and desires for the needs and desires of Ruth. And we know how that worked out. Not only was Ruth well provided for once Boaz married her, but Naomi was as well. She had no guarantees, but was willing to do right by Ruth anyway. Do be willing to put others before yourself. It is always right, and quite often you will find that when you sacrifice for others, the Lord rewards you with even greater blessings than you could have ever imagined. Naomi gave up a daughter-in-law and ended up gaining an entire family, including a grandson.
That's a good lesson, Ralph. And I saved my last candy bar just for you.
Baby, you're the greatest.